Unraveling Idioms. Throw up one's hands. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where we dive into the fascinating world of the English language. Today, we're exploring a common but intriguing idiom, throw up one's hands. Have you ever heard someone say this and wondered what it really means? Well, you're in the right place. Let's break it down together. When someone says they throw up their hands, it doesn't mean they literally toss their hands into the air. Instead, this idiom is used to express a feeling of giving up or admitting defeat in a situation. It's as if you're saying, "I can't do anything about this," or "I give up." But that's not all. Sometimes, throwing up one's hands can also express exasperation or frustration. It's a way to show that you're at your wit's end with a problem or situation and don't know what to do next. The origins of throw up one's hands are a bit murky, as with many idioms. However, it's believed to have come from the physical gesture of throwing one's hands up in the air either in surrender or desperation. This gesture has been a universal sign of giving up or showing that one has no more options or solutions to offer. Now that we know what it means, let's see how to use throw up one's hands in a sentence. Here are a few examples. After trying to fix the car all day, Mike finally threw up his hands and called a mechanic. Seeing the mess the kids made, their mother threw up her hands in exasperation. Faced with the complexity of the problem, the team leader threw up his hands and decided to seek outside help. And there you have it. The next time you hear someone say they throw up their hands, you'll know exactly what they mean. It's all about expressing a sense of surrender, frustration, or the feeling of being overwhelmed. We hope this video has shed some light on this interesting idiom. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Keep exploring the English language, and never hesitate to throw up your hands and ask for help if you need it.